Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel Sai Love Srinu. This is the place where our workshop will going to be held. Look. Now the time is 9:45 am, but workshop already started at 9:30 am. Oh, it's 15 minutes late. Hey, look! Our coordinators are here, Amish and Purvasa. When I asked events is started or not, they said no. Then I am so much happy because I am not late. One of my friends, Susri, said, "You are late, you did not do anything, you take it and swipe the floor." We all together worried about how to hanging banner. At last we did it. Thanks to our director ma'am for helping us for hosting this program and making this program online. Those students are not present in workshop because of pandemic situation and also for the other students and public. And it is organized by a School of Women Studies Department of Utkal University, Bani Vihar. Venue, Academic New Block. The workshop is open for all the students and the people of our university and outside of the university also. The age limit between 15 to 35. Now we are ready to start our workshop. Today's workshop is on sleep disorder among the youth. It's basically to give awareness upon sleeping problems. Those people are facing problems. We felicited our guest, chief guest, director ma'am, and other present ma'am also. And our Snigdha ma'am is sitting there. Mamta ma'am started our workshop program and given some hints about today's topic. After that, she invites our director ma'am to tell us something about today's workshop. Director ma'am delivered a wonderful speech about today's topic, sleep disorder. Mamta ma'am give an introduction to our guest and chief guest.
We should know the person by their words and by their deeds. But still, let me introduce the chair, President, Dr. Rajlakshmi Madam of our Rotary Club of Future Accommodator. She is a professor of physics by profession. But more than that, she has been doing extensive social work. We have presented our job in one of the international cultural exchange program. So we thank you for giving your time to our program. And next to her, Rotarian Switzerland South. He is secretary of our job, but he is very young though. He is a very upcoming sculptor. He manages to provide the sculptures stone images.
Yes, ma'am.
80 to 90% tackle he will be more than thank you, sir, for being with us. And these young doctors, they are working day and night in teams. They are keeping our mind in streamline. They are guiding people, young people, older people, all around the state, even outside the state. Thank you, both of you, very young. And one of them, Dr. Raj, is the alumni of Utkal University Psychology Department. I welcome all of you, sir. Now I would like to request Pranav sir to pray.
Then Mamta ma'am requested to our chief guest, Dr. Pranab Kumar Mahapatra sir, tell us all the reason for sleep disorder and the solution of the problems.
About sleep. If you are not interested also, please go back to your sleep. If you are interested in case, then you can ask questions, you can interact, you can ask anything of it. But in case you are not interested, you can have a nice sleep in the day. So do that. So I will ask you a few things. That why sleep is so important? How can they important problem? Normally, they do. There is not, I will not talk as a psychiatrist, I will not talk as a doctor. So I am talk as in fact as a very common person, what we have in daily problems of life. बहुत जगह कंप्लेन करते रात्रे निद्रा होती है, पक्का लगता है. स्टूडेंट को लेके बेसिकली हमें देखो कंसंट्रेशन के करीब आ रहा है. रात्रे भले सोचो, फोकस करें. एग्जाम आपके अंदर निद्रा हो रही है. हम परफॉर्मेंस भला रहता सीधे हो गई कॉमन के आ गए लास्ट वर्ष 1.5 वर्ष लेकर before this simple complaint that you are not getting sleep, you are not able to concentrate, you are getting tired, you are not able to this used to be very common complaint.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving your valuable knowledge.
Elaboration, and that's true from women point of view. So we will take questions after all resource persons finish express themselves. But now there is a certain change. I would like to declare that this link is now going to be changed. We are already hosting that uploading a new link. And I request Manjuranjan madam to join in the new link because this link will be over very soon. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes we will take a break. then again we will start. And in between, I would like to request Vyasakshi Madam to say something about how Rotary is connected with this workshop. Only for 3 minutes, let's listen to our Charter President, Professor Rotary and Vyasakshi Madam.
Had some knowledge about Rotary. Because these people are going to be a future Rotary. What Rotary does? Rotary does service. Service are options. That is the photo of Rotary. Service may be in vocational, any type of service is included in it. And all of you must be knowing polio eradication. The polio has been completely eradicated from the world, which is the magic of Rotary. The dedication of all Rotarians throughout the world that has eradicated polio. Now it is going to eradicate illiteracy. That is, they have taken up that literacy will be the focus, and there will be no illiteracy possible. And then in the world that is at least our, we are thinking of India.
Then Jagruti ma'am, give us some valuable tips for us. Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am. Thank you so much. And now our PG chairperson sir Basan Malik sir already comes. Thank you so much sir. Thank you. And then our Manoj bhai felicitated to our song. And now also Manju ma'am give some tips to our sleep disorder problems. You all are look.
Magnanimous personality and very good. And this is a proof that you people listen to our repeat of silence. So thank you very much for your magnificent and very dynamic presentation and giving tips to the young students. We may be taking some of the questions from them. Let's wait for that now. We will love to listen from Dr. Mishra from Keynes. And I welcome Dr. Mishra to present. And Dr. Mishra, please. Yeah. Okay. So they are very young doctors, both of them. They will jointly present Dr. Mishra and Dr. Raj. So the floor is open for you.
Been listening about sleep for a long time. Want to know how many of you are awake right now? Okay, because it was a really long session and I think most people repeated what is sleep, what is sound sleep. How many of you had sound sleep last night? Okay, 1, 2, 3. And how many of you couldn't sleep well last night? So I think the numbers are here itself, okay, including me. So I just want to know, those who said you had sound sleep, why do you say you had good sleep? How do you know that you had good sleep? You're feeling refreshed, very good. When you woke up in the morning, you were feeling fresh. Who else? You said you had sound sleep, right? So why do you feel you had good sleep? And how many hours was that? So you feel 6 hours, more than 6 hours is good enough sleep for you. Someday if you get 4 hours sleep, how do you feel? You feel tired. Okay. And who else got sound sleep somewhere over there?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your dynamic presentation for us. Thank you, ma'am.
And I had seen so many hands when
Because are at home, studying from home, or if you are in your hostel room. So don't use the bed for studying, for eating, for talking over phone. Okay? Use table and chair. Okay? So bed is the very precious place only to go at night for sleep. Okay? So there has to be a very fixed association in your mind that sleep is equal to bed. So whenever you will see your bed at precious bed, you will feel sleepy. Okay? But everything if you start doing on bed itself, you sit and study on the bed, you will write on the bed, you will sit and eat on the bed, then that association will not form in your brain. Okay? And right now we just heard so many different assumptions that this age group should sleep for this many hours. Okay, but frankly speaking, certain apps which are available, which will play some instrumental music, which will induce, and it
Then, ma'am, given us valuable tips. Then another ma'am also
definitely
discuss on this topic.
these things.
Now the opportunities comes to the students to ask their question and problems to our chief guest, and then
We will be taking up your question queries right now. During those queries, if anyone of you
Or any solution about that? Sleep paralysis.
Who told you?
No, I read about it.
thank you so much, sir, for giving his questions, sir. And now also then I also asked one question to Manju ma'am, and she answered my question. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Madam, this is a question for you. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, do women have more difficulty sleeping than men?
Is there any difference of religion?
Actually, we will have to, there's no research evidence as such to state the gender divide between the sleeping pattern. The sleeping pattern, most often than not, is related to lifestyle. And but then I would beg an apology here. I haven't gone through it. If I had a little idea, I would have gone through the research studies and told you. As of now, I'm not very aware of the research evidence to say whether there is a significant difference between the sleep disorders faced by
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your answer, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And they take the more burden, and even in family, and they have on the pressure more than the maid. Sometimes, maybe.
Thank you, Mamta ma'am. She answered this question also.
Marriage and family ceremony, though
one of gynecologist's cabin, they said that before you had shared it with your friend, you would not have come here. So, why? Essentially, that is what there is a gender divide which has been seen, wherein in interaction with people, just look at any party, even our friends here. So when the boys are talking about women,
75-year-old lady, 75-year-old mothers, they are waiting for
Again, thank you so much, sir, for your answer.
food and mobile.
And now my doubt is clear, and I am fully satisfied.
My son will come back, and after that, I will tell her like to say.
or even cultural norms that
Need of sleep, if you do not sleep properly, then the next day is spoiled. Next day, when we sometimes we would remain awakened, sometimes we see theater, jatra, or something else in the rural setup, in villages. We have mind is very important. Always ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ କହୁ ଆମ ଦେହ ଖରାପ ହେଇଛି କିଏ କହୁନା ଯେ ଆମ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଖରାପ ହେଇଛି କିଏ କହନ୍ତି we take care of our body. We do not take care of our mind. Our mind, how it should be happy. If you listen music, if you have a weed, what is the method? That Madam said that meditation, prayer, yoga. Besides that, you should have a good friend. You aim on a friendship. Words are written a long time. That man lives among friends, not in the family. Man lives in the society. That is very important. Society means among friends. So here, how you will be living.
Now, our PG counselor Basant Malik sir given us to valuable advice related to sleep disorder. Thank you so much sir to coming this workshop and given your valuable time. We all are delighted to hearing your such inspiring speech. Thank you sir. Thank you so much.
Now I request our students to offer to our guests.
At last, a director ma'am gives some gifts to our guest.
Now I'd like to request Director Madam to felicitate to the President, Rotary Club of Rotary Club, Rotarian Dr. Achitananda Patnaik, sir. So, now I request the Secretary, Rotarian Citizen South, please come and accept a token of love from the School of King's Hospital University. Now I request Madam to give this token of love to Dr. Pranam Mahapatra, sir. He is also a very good Rotarian and he has got many awards for every career. So please, round of applause for Rotarian Pranam Mahapatra. So, sorry for Ravi. Darling, Mr. Madam, please. We have a gift for Manju Madam.
For Manju madam and let me give to our Mamata madam.
I will send you in the next one. That's a surprise I was expecting.
A gift of Manju madam is given to our Mamata madam.
Thank you. Thank you. Now I request our President, President Achitananda Patnaik to extend vote of thanks for
At last, not least, our beloved sir comes and end our program with some words on today's program.
The respected Director, School of Women Studies, Dr. Jayanti Dora, my dear friend, Rotarian Dr. Pranam Mahapatra, Dr. Shayani Mishra, and Dr. Shivya Raj. Our Secretary, Sri Sujanayan Sir, Rotarian, President Sanjay Das, and Charter President Rajlakshmi Mahapatra, past President Sarojini Patnaik, and other members are there, Jitendra Kumar Panda and Tapaswini Panda. And my dear students, young friends, it is my privilege to extend vote of thanks. I am obliged and I convey my heartfelt thanks to Chairman Shah, Director Madam, and University authorities to permit us to conduct this seminar in association with the department, and I thank personally our Vice President Rotarian Mamata Das, who is leading and we are planning, if permitted, have such seminars like on de-addiction. I am the chairman at AIDS Center, and Pranav is also doing activities. on
Thank you,
de-addiction.
sir. Thank you so much for your valuable space.
Another
Now our program is already over. Also my blog is going to be over. At last I want to say that today's workshop is so awesome, so awesome. And I strongly believe that it will definitely helpful for all of them, those who are having some problem, sleep disorder. Now it's time to go. I'm so much hungry. I am going to take some food. Our department arranged lunch for all the guests and all the students and all the people. Those are comes to our 2 days workshop. I'm feeling so much hungry. Really. Our girls group is here. I mean, studies girls. After eating so much delicious food, feeling so happy. Today, I have given some food to cows, feeling blessed. That time, not only I have enjoyed delicious food, I have given 2 cows also. Thank you, Amisha. Oh my god, so delicious food. I can't control myself. I have eaten so much that I will just go and sleep. So guys, it's me, your Sailab Shrinu, signing off. Now see you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Do like, share and subscribe.